Hello Andy, a very good evening. Welcome to Vidatri. So, ee roju live session lo mana beautiful lightweight Venkatagiri sarees chusedamandi. Very beautiful one. And this is light lemon yellow color saree. Lemon yellow saree ki manaki border pink color ochindi, baby pink color border with golden leaf and peacock designs kuda ochindani manaki border lo. This is the pallu. And manaki blouse kuda chaala chakkaga ichcharandi, pedda border ochindi. We can stitch it till the elbows. So here is a combination. Price, weaver's price andi 23,999. And the next one, light pastel pink andi, pastel pink with light lemon yellow. Rendu kuda manchi pastel colors. And you can see the border, golden zari border running on either sides. Saree is very lightweight and elegant color combination andi. And pallu kuda andi chakkaga ochindi, pista green color weave tho. This is the blouse andi, blouse with complete contrast color. So here is a combination. And price vachesi weaver's price andi 21,999. You can even visit our store andi, which is Vidatri Shopping Mall in PVP Lane, Vijayawada. The next one is lemon yellow, కొంచెం bright yellow combination వస్తుందండి. And you can see the borders, silver zari borders running on either sides. And saree మొత్తం కూడా మనకి tiny motifs వస్తుంది. Very beautiful and elegant. This is the pallu అండి. pallu మొత్తం కూడా మనకి silver zari weave designer వస్తుంది. pallu మనం సింగిల్ గా కూడా flaunt చేసుకోవచ్చు. And the complete contrast blouse అండి with silver zari border. So here will be the combination yellow with green. Price, weaver's price and 22,499. And the next one is lavender with blue andi. Another beautiful color. Border vachesi manaki blue color border ochindi. Golden zari border running on either sides. And here is the pallu andi. pallu lo meeru silver zari and golden zari rendu mixed combinations chudochu. And this is a contrast blouse. So blouse vachesi contrast vastundi with peacock designs. So here is the combination. Price, weaver's price andi 22,499. The next one is black with silver booties andi. You can see the black color with the silver booties chaala bright ga kanipistundi. So it's one of the classy look saree. And piping vachesi light baby pink combination. And two thin borders running on either sides andi. Very beautiful color. This is the pallu. So pallu with silver weave, complete ga silver zari designer ochindi. And this is the blouse. So blouse with a thin border. So here is a combination. Weaver's price andi 26,999. The next one is light green color andi. Light green color ki border vachi golden color border vastundi. Very pretty one with mango designs. And saree mottham kuda manaki light silver booties vastundi. Very pretty and elegant. And here is the pallu andi. pallu with silver zari. And border kuda manaki ante chakkaga icharu. And here is the blouse. So blouse vachesi silver zari combination andi. Weaver's price 21,499. And ఇది వచ్చేసి వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ అండి. ఈ నెంబర్కి మీరు ఆర్డర్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ప్లీజ్ టు టేక్ ద స్క్రీన్ షాట్. And the next one is green with mehendi green combination అండి. సో బాడీ ఆఫ్ ద సారీ వచ్చేసి ప్రతి డార్క్ కలర్ వస్తుంది. అండ్ టెక్స్చర్ కూడా మీరు చూడొచ్చు, వెరీ సాఫ్ట్ టెక్స్చర్. అండ్ బార్డర్ ఇస్ అ ఖడీ జరీ బార్డర్ అండి విత్ గోల్డెన్ అండ్ సిల్వర్ జరీ వర్క్. Beautiful bright color saree. And here is the pallu andi. So pallu with silver weave and copper weave, golden weave vastundi, silver zari and golden zari. This is the blouse. So mehendi green color blouse. ఇలా వస్తుందండి కాంబినేషన్. వీవర్స్ ప్రైస్ 22,499. The next one is peach pink అండి. Peach pink ki violet color border, silver zari border వచ్చింది, and you can see the designs. Border లో మంచి డిజైనర్ వచ్చింది. Very beautiful saree అండి, కలర్ కాంబినేషన్ కూడా. This is the pallu. So pallu with alternate lines, I mean parallel lines వస్తుంది silver zari లో. And the blouse, so blouse with silver zari border and very traditional design. So weaver's price and 21,999. And the next one is light grey color with border and border vachesi light pink color border vachindi. You can see the designer grid patterns vachindi complete ga. Very beautiful color combination. This is the pallu. So pallu with silver zari, and you can see the parallel lines andi. It's beautiful and elegant ga undi. And this is the blouse. So blouse with pink color and feather border vastundi. Price, weaver's price andi 23,599. The next one is light sea green, one of the classic color combination. And మొత్తం కూడా మనకి సిల్వర్ జరీ సారీ అండి, మొత్తం కూడా సిల్వర్ జరీ డిజైనర్. సో యూ కెన్ సీ కంప్లీట్ సారీ ఇస్ ఫిల్డ్ అండ్ 2 ప్లెయిన్ ఖడీ బార్డర్స్ అండి, సిల్వర్ ఖడీ బార్డర్స్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద పల్లు. సో పల్లు విత్ సిల్వర్ వీవ్. బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసి గ్రే కలర్ బ్లౌజ్ అండి విత్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ డిజైనర్ సెల్ఫ్ ప్రింట్స్ వస్తుంది. హియర్ ఇస్ ద కాంబినేషన్. So in our combination, weaver's price 22,499. And the next one is dark blue with copper sulphate blue. Ee saree kuda mottham manaki silver zari designer andi, very beautiful motifs running all over. Saree mottham kuda manaki silver zari designs andi, and you can see the 2 silver zari borders running on either sides. This is the pallu. So pallu with silver zari and designs kuda manaku kanipistundi pallu lo. And this is the copper sulphate blue color blouse andi, thin border. Weaver's price 24,999. And the next one is pista green, and దీనికి combination of grey color borders వస్తుందండి running on either sides, and very beautiful saree with golden color checks, tiny check pattern vastundandi. This is the pallu. So pallu with silver zari, mottham kuda designer, and we have got a grey color blouse with the bigger border. So ila vastundandi combination. Weaver's price 19,999. This is black with pink andi, one of the different design. So these all are Venkatagiri sarees andi, beautiful Venkatagiri pattu. And saree mottham kuda you can see the very closed check patterns and colorful borders andi. This is the pallu. So pallu with silver weave. So maniki differentiation chala clear ga kanipistundi. You can see the detailing. And the blouse with colorful border. So ila vastundandi combination. Weaver's price 23,599. And the next one is peach pink. So peach with pink color combination andi, and you can see the bigger check patterns. Check patterns lo manki motifs vastunayi. 2 silver zari borders running on either sides. Very beautiful color andi. Here is the pallu. So pallu is silver weave, and this is the blouse andi. So complete contrast, beautiful color, and ఇది వచ్చేసి మనకి weaver's price andi 24,999. And the last one for today from the collection of beautiful Venkatagiri sarees, bright blue with light blue color combination, and saree మొత్తం కూడా మంచి మోటివ్స్ వస్తున్నాయండి. golden plus silver motifs, very bright and elegant, and 2 silver zari borders are running on either sides. This is the pallu, so pallu with golden zari, classic color combination andi. And this is the blouse, so blue with blue. It's a weaver's price andi, 22,490. So that's all for today from the collection of beautiful Venkatagiri Pattu sarees. And here's the WhatsApp number andi, and GPay number rendu kuda different. So please do take the screenshot. And we are also shipping these sarees worldwide andi, so please do order. And you can even visit our store, which is Vijayawada Vidyarthi Shopping Mall in PPP Lane. And again, we'll be back tomorrow with another beautiful range of collections. Till then, good night.